Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. In this video, we're going to talk exactly about the simple strategy, how you can beat the stock market trading weekly options during Thanksgiving week. And exactly that'll entail a couple of days ahead of the Thanksgiving and a couple of days post-Thanksgiving. Most of the time, the market is not going to move a whole lot. And in that case, opposed to trading options on futures, like I've mentioned in many last videos, you actually want to take, in this case, some trades on particular stocks that tend to outperform the rest of the market during the Thanksgiving season. In this particular video, I'm going to give you a couple of stocks. The first one is going to be Tesla. Tesla, guys, in 93% of instances, Tesla will actually make really good upside moves right around Thanksgiving holidays. And on this chart, clearly, well, it looks like Tesla is a complete dog, okay? So, but if you're part of the alert group yesterday and the day before, we send you 2 alerts to buy Tesla calls when it was dropping to these low levels right here of 167, 168 area. And based on the chart, guys, remember what I've been mentioning a lot of videos lately. We buy ugly charts. This chart is as ugly as it gets. And probably the only people that are still buying Tesla at this point is, of course, Joan of Arc and 13 Market Moves. Now, you know that Arc Innovation Fund has been buying a lot of this. Cathie Wood been buying Tesla every time on every dip. Now we've bid Cathie Wood on buying the dip. When she was buying the dip, we were shorting the bounces. But now at these levels, guys, okay, same people that were telling you to buy Tesla right here at the top, they're telling you to sell Tesla right here. We're saying, look, it's time to buy the hell out of Tesla. At this level, at the levels we're buying Tesla in the last couple of days, you simply cannot go wrong. Considering the seasonality of Tesla shares, guys, you can put easy options trades. You don't have to keep them complex. What do? You just buy the shit out of calls. Buy fucking calls. That's it. The trade is simple. And of course, you know, you may be getting a bit too late in this trade. Looks like pre-market Tesla is up slightly, a couple of bucks at the time I'm recording this. But guess what? At 172, it's still a deal, guys. It's still a deal. Tesla shares could easily shoot up 20, 30 bucks over the course of the next couple of weeks here, back to the level of 200, possibly above 200. From the standpoint of viewing Thanksgiving, okay, the market is barely going to move as far as the index is, but Tesla is one of these things, again, historically 93% instances, it's going to make a larger percentage move to the upside in relation to its peers, in relation to S&P 500. So if you've been trading SPY lately, stop trading SPY, look at Tesla calls ASAP, because it could be still an opportunity for you to get in. So from the standpoint of, you know, trading Black Friday, you know, this one could still make a good size move. Clearly, it's not going to make a $30 move in a day over Thanksgiving, but, you know, it can easily make a 10-point move from here, from the level we're getting at 167, 168, 10-point move, 15-point move over the course of 2-3 trading sessions. That's easy. I'm recording this on November 23rd, early pre-market, guys, about 6 a.m. If you're watching Tesla later today and you're like, oh my God, it's hitting 180 bucks or something, or Friday morning after Thanksgiving, you're looking at it and like, whew, man, how the hell did it go to 5? How the hell did the chart go from such an ugly chart to such a bullish chart? So you're probably going to be looking, and instead of more of red candles is what you would normally expect when you see a highly ugly chart like this. What you're going to end up witnessing is a few white candles, big white candles like this one right here. It's going to be one right here and another one following through right after that. And expect some really strong volume coming in. A lot of institutions, I think, are going to step in and start buying this thing. So with that said, Tesla is definite outperforming historically on the call side right around Thanksgiving holiday. Here's the alerts that you can see, guys. This is it right here. You could have partaken in this trade. So as you're watching Tesla rocket higher, you're thinking, well, man, I wish I knew about this before. Well, you could have. If you traded with the 13 Market Moves coach, you would have been up huge on this Tesla trade. Clearly by Friday, I mean, these things could do 4-5x from where we're buying the things on the call side in different strikes. So make sure you don't miss out the next trade. Now, as you can see here in the alerts as well, there's been a number of calls. We also been insistent on you continuing to buy coin calls. Historically, with the exception of last holiday season, crypto normally has the biggest blooming season between November and December. Some of the biggest moves in crypto happen to the upside within those 30 days, like November 15th through December 15th, December 20th, right around there. And so considering that Bitcoin has been holding strong just above the 16K level, guys, this thing is about to rock higher. Okay, so get ready. We sent you a bunch of alerts on coin, as you can see. Yesterday, actually the day before, we bound it as low as in the 41.80. 41.80 was our last entry on coin. MSTR, all of these things, they will outperform hugely this holiday season, guys. These are some stocks that you get here on the news, how amazing after this such a bear move in crypto, the bear winter, all that crap that they talk about in the news, all of a sudden you guys see some huge white candles here on these things. And so if you're curious to find out what strikes are we getting in, how to still put on these trades, what expiration to get, because guys, depending on these details, okay, it's going to depend where you're going to be able to simply double your money or where you're going to be able to do 5x or 10x. I promise you, you're going to hear some of our traders posting 10x, 20x returns on these trades, trading weekly options. Don't just end up being a guy that is watching this maybe a week from now or 2 weeks from now and saying, well, Leo, how the fuck did you know? Okay, just fucking sign up, basically, is what I'm saying. Okay, don't waste time. Sign up. Trade with the pros here at 13 Market Moves. Don't miss the next big move in some of these names. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and let's rock on these trades. Tesla calls, coin calls, MSTR calls, NVIDIA calls. Buy. Let's roll.